with the pump. The pump. It's up with the pump. It's up with the pump. It's up with the pump. You're rolling with the pump. You're rolling with the pump.
How you doing? This is Mike from Harris Water Main and Sewer Contractors. Thanks again for tuning into our video. Today we are in Brooklyn. We're on East 49th Street and we're here replacing a new 4-inch domestic water main. Backstory here, the customer received a violation from the fire department for not having a curb valve. We were hired to replace the entire service to install a new curb valve just due to the age of the pipe itself. Now, while we were excavating, the existing wet connection was not functional. So that means we had to contact DEP, let them know and schedule a shutdown so that we could remove the old wet connection and install a new one. Let's go see where the guys are at. What's up, man? Danny?
Hey, boss.
What's going on?
We're just here today. We're replacing a defective valve that we have in a domestic 4-inch line.
In order for us to put a new valve on, DEP had to perform a shutdown?
Definitely. Right? DP has to be involved, and they had to close the main line so we'll be able to take the old valve off and then we can reconnect with the new valve.
Existing pipe, very old, not in good shape. We were hired to replace this main. When we excavated the roadway, the existing wet connection was not functioning, right?
Yes, we found out that it's defective.
Okay, so the only way that you could remove and replace an existing defective wet connection is that you gotta have DEP perform a shutdown.
Yes, definitely.
New sleeve, re-drill, right?
Not really re-drill, but when DP does the shutdown, they reuse the same hole.
Oh, because we went in the same hole.
Yes, so they just reuse the same hole and put on a new valve.
Okay, excellent. So that's already been done. It looks like you're piped almost to the building.
Almost, pretty much. I'm just waiting for a extra fitting so we can finish put it together.
So it looks like you guys just about done. Should be no problem getting inspection today, right?
Correct. Right now we're just waiting for the companion flange, put it together, and inspector should be anytime now, and the job should be done today.
All right, backfill, plate, and we come back to restore.
Correct.
All right, very good. Danny, as always, good job, man.
Thank you, boys.
Thank you. Ryan, Kevin, respect, man. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Halloween costume.